So this time, we're going to discuss the cube of binomial. So let us show you first the pattern of this multiplication. So let's say we have here x plus y cube. So the pattern should be like this one. So ganito dapat pag-solve niya na. So lagay niyo muna yung x. Since cube yan, remember if the sign is positive, all of the terms here are all positive. If it is negative, it should be in alternating pattern. So since it's positive, so we put here only x here, then plus, then 3, then x, tapos y, then plus 3, then x, then y, then last term should be y cubed. Now, you cube the last term and you cube the first term. Now, what else? The square the x here, and the transfer yung y yung square sa y naman sa susunod. So that will be the pattern that we're going to use. So let's say here in the first example. So ilagay muna natin lahat. So x muna, x. Since addition yan, so plus lahat, plus 3. Lagi yan may 3 kasi cube tayo ha. 3, then first term, second term, then plus. Kopyahin mo lang yan. X, then ganyan ulit. Then last term, that is 4. Again, as I said, you cube the last term, you cube the first term. And then you square x here, you square the second term here. Then let us solve. This is x cubed plus 3, that's 3, and this is x squared times 4, then plus 3x, then this is 16, then plus cube of 4 is 64. 64. Then let us solve again. Kasi may mga parentheses pa. This is x cube plus, that is, multiply this one, 12 x squared plus 48 x plus 64. So that will be your final answer. This will be your final answer to this equation. That equation. Alright? Okay, so let us again next go to the equation. Equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is this one. So let's try to solve another one, which is number 2. We have x minus 4 cubed. Although this is the same, but we're going to have to show you what will happen if the operation is minus. So again, we write down all x, then since I said it's alternating, so negative x muna x, then this is 3, first term, then second term, tapos kopyahin mo lang yan, 3, then x, then 4, then last term should be 4. Now, sabi ko diba, if it's a negative or minus ang operations, it's alternating. Positive here, negative, positive, negative. So that is alternating ha, positive, negative, positive, negative. So again, you cube the last term, you cube the first term. You square x here, and you square the second term here. Okay, so this is x cubed minus, so this is 3 x squared, then 4, plus 3x, this is 16, and then minus 64. Okay, so hanggang may parentheses, you're not going to stop solving. So this is x cubed minus 12 x plus 48 x minus 64. So you see the difference between the first here and this here. Look at the difference of the two. Okay. So all of them are positive because the operation is positive. This is negative, so alternating yung kanyang sign. Kasi ang operation niya is minus. Okay? That's it. Again, let's have another example for the cube of binomial. So we have here quantity 2x minus 3 cube. So again, negative yan, so it means that the sign is alternating. The technique is kapag negative yung yung operation, huwag nyo muna nalagyan ng sign. All you have to do is to write down the factors. Again, so first term is 2x, then write down 3, first term, second term, then kopyahin mo lang yan, 3, 2x, 3, then last term, that is 3. Yeah. So, again, negative siya, di ba? So, positive, negative, positive, negative. Then, let's cube the last term, cube the first term. Ang square is nasaan dito? Nasa x. Then, ang next square is nasa second term. Then, let us solve the all equation, all expression. This is, cube of 2 is 8. X cubed, then minus 3, or ang technique dito, yung walang square, yun ang i-multiply mo agad. Ito, tsaka yan. So that is negative 9, minus 9. Then solve this, 4x squared. Then plus 6x. Then solve this is 9. Then minus 27, kasi 3 cubed is 27. So, this is 8x cubed minus 36x squared, then plus 54x, then minus 27. So that will be your cube. Now, what about this one? Ganun ulit. Since negative yan, well, let's try this becomes positive. Yan. Pag positive, ibig sabihin walang problema, lahat yan ay positive. So, hindi tayo mag-alternate ng sign. So, for first term is 4m squared, or 4m squared, ganyan, square may square pa siya, plus 3, first term is 4m squared, then second term, then kopyahin mo lang siya, square, then 3n, then last term should be plus 3n. Then cube natin yung dulo, cube mo yung first term. Then square mo to, square mo yung second term. So that is. Now, let us simplify. This is cube of 4 is 64. N cube, n multiply, that's 6 plus ito muna, so 9n, then solve mo yan, itong in parenthesis, this is 16 m to the 4th, then plus, this is, ano mo una? So ito muna, so 12 m squared, 9n squared, then this is plus 27 n cubed. Again, simplify again. We have here 64 m to the 6 plus this is 16. That is 144. 144 m to the 4th. So this is no. 144 m to the 4th. N. Ganyan. Kasi may N dito. So, plus 108. 12 times na yung 108. Tapos M square plus 27 M cube. If you still remember, habang tumataas yung mga exponent ng N, yan, habang bumababa yung mga exponent ng N, bumababa naman yung mga tumataas naman yung exponent ng N. So that is how we solve this equation. The product of binomial having similar terms. Okay, so in this case, we're going to use the FOIL method. The FOIL method. What is FOIL method? Actually, FOIL stands for first term, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. So outer terms and inner terms should be added. in this type of shortcut. So let's say multiply first the first term, that is x squared. Then the outer terms, that is plus 5x. Include the sign in multiplication, then inner terms, that is negative 4 times x minus 4x. And the last term, it's negative 4 times 5, that is negative 20. So you add this one, kasi this is the like term. So it's x squared, then 5x minus 4x, that is x, then minus 20. So that will be your product. Now what about this one? Again, use the FOIL method. First term, this one and this one. So we have that 2x squared. Okay? Then outer terms, that is plus 5xy. Then the inner terms, negative 3 times 2, that's minus 6xy. And then the last term. Last term should be negative 3 times 5, negative 15y squared. Last term. Negative 3y and 5y. That's negative 15y. So this is 2x squared. So check natin yan. 5xy minus 6xy is negative xy. And then minus 15y squared. So that is. Now for this last term. So this one, that is 20m squared. Then outer terms, that is plus 16m. Inner terms, negative 25m. And the last term, that is minus 20. So this is 20m squared. Minus natin to, that is negative 9m and minus 20. Negative m. Yeah. So 20m squared minus 9m minus 20. So that is how to use